story of my life. Dad's old Chevrolet, rust on the wheel. 8 years old, learning how to feel the weight of goodbye in my mother's eyes, the way the porch light flickers when somebody cries. Scrape my knees on dreams too big for that town. Wrote my name in the dust, then I wiped it back down. But the radio played something I couldn't explain, a melody of mercy running through my veins. And I didn't know then what I was chasing, only that the horizon kept on changing. This is the story of my life, the broken hallelujahs, the beautiful fights. Every scar is a sentence, every tear is a line. I'm still riding, I'm still riding. Not the one I planned, but the one that's mine. The story of my life. 22, a love that burned like a match, held a hand in the rain, couldn't hold back the crash. Learned that leaving and staying both break your heart, and the hardest part of living is the falling apart. Punched your clock, punched a wall, punched way above weight. Sang to an empty room, got used to the weight, but the silence taught me something the noise never could. How to stand in the dark and still be good. And I didn't know then what I was becoming, only that the ache inside kept humming. This is the story of my life, the broken hallelujahs, the beautiful fights. Every scar is a sentence, every tear is a line. I'm still riding, I'm still riding. Not the one I planned, but the one that's mine. The story of my life. And if they ask me at the end what it was all about, I'll say I loved too hard, I learned to let go, and I never figured it out. But I lived it out loud. This is the story of my life, the grace between the wrong notes, the peace and the strife. Every scar is a sentence, every tear is a line. I'm still riding,